Ready, start. The Election Commission of India, under Section 39A of the Representation of the People Act, 1951, has issued directions for allotment of broadcast and telecast time to national and state recognized political parties on Doordarshan and All India Radio inside bracket AIR for the general elections to the legislative assemblies of Assam, Kerala, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal full stop. The ECI said in a press note that digital time vouchers have been issued through the IT platform to all recognized national and state political parties across the five poll bound state/UT for the assembly elections full stop. The broadcast slash telecast periods will be scheduled between the date of publication of the list of contesting candidates in each phase and 2 days before the date of poll in the poll bound states/UT full stop. The actual broadcast slash telecast will be scheduled in advance through a draw of lots at the state/UT level in the presence of authorized representatives of political parties and officials from the office of the respective state/UT chief electoral officer. Full stop next. Under the scheme, free broadcasting and telecasting facilities of a base time of 45 minutes have been allotted on both Doordarshan and All India Radio for each party, to be uniformly provided on the regional network within the state full stop. Additional time has been allotted to political parties based on their poll performance in the previous assembly elections in the respective states/UT, ensuring fair and proportionate representation in media outreach and maintaining transparency in allocation of time slots across all participating parties and regions full stop. Political parties are required to submit transcripts and recordings in advance, strictly adhering to the relevant guidelines issued for this purpose, full stop. Recordings may be made in studios meeting the technical standards prescribed by Prasar Bharati or at Doordarshan/AIR Kendras full stop. In addition to party broadcasts, Prasar Bharati Corporation will organize up to two panel discussions and slash or debates on Doordarshan and All India Radio full stop. Each eligible political party may nominate one representative for the program, which will be moderated by an approved coordinator. Full stop.